Hey folks, I'm Tony.
And I'm Tina.
And we're TNT RVing.
And it is a rainy day here at Atwood. So when it rains, what does Tony do? He likes to work on projects.
Little project we're working on.
This is a tiny project, but it's kind of fun and we thought we'd share it with you.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install a new paper towel holder. And Tina would like to have it right underneath the microwave cabinet here. So we're going to figure out exactly where. But one of the issues is if you decide, oh, I want to put it here and just take your drill a hole, run some screws up in there. Well, you better be aware because there's wires underneath. And if you take a look there, you wouldn't want to hit any of those wires because then you're going to cause yourself some grief. So I removed the microwave. I'm going to lift these wires up and out of the way. We'll find exactly where we're going to drill it and then install it. And we'll get back with you and show you how it looks.
So this is where you put the microwave when you take it out.
Oh yeah.
It was smack dab in the center of your bed.
At least I put a blanket down.
Yeah, you did. That's true. So, okay, we're going to figure out where this thing goes.
And we'll get back right with you. So, I'm going to hold this up in right around here where we think we want it. And then Tina is going to judge from our theater seating if she can live with seeing the paper towels here.
They're not going to be right in front of your face.
Or here, like so.
I think there it is too congested. It looks too congested. I think that where we originally had it is the way to go. Over.
Off to the right here.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So I'm drilling a couple blocks because this is such thin plywood. I want to have the screws go through the plywood and into the block. So I'll make a much better attachment point. Now what we're going to need to do is come up in here, and Tina, I'm going to have you hold these wires.
Wait, that one. Wait.
Right here. So that blue wire, right?
Yeah.
So okay. Right there, we're going to drill a hole. Did it go through?
Yeah.
And then there we go. Good?
Good. Hopefully it's even.
It's even. Okay, so I just ran a screw through here, and I'm just going to start it right in the bottom. We're going to run that in there. Actually, let me get this other screw started. We're not going to go completely through.
Well, hold up, stop. Hold this for a sec.
Mm-hmm. That doesn't matter, that's fine.
Okay, there you go.
So now I have my block.
Okay, so you're putting the blocks up here, right? Like
right,
here.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Oh, I see.
So we're going to run this. So we're going to then take this block and run this in here. It's going to be hard to see. We got to get the hole lined up. Then we're going to run that in there like so. So that's nice and tight now. Take a look in there.
One down, one to go.
So see, now the wires. Now you can
see the wires are sitting on the block.
Right, and then we also have that very well supported.
Yeah.
So now we'll stick another block underneath the other screw.
So these screws right there.
We're going to fix that.
That's for the light.
Yep. See how they just left that, and now you can just, bouncing around, and
That's probably not good.
Now we got really good support here. So let me put this screw in. Now look at that. So that's pretty good. Yeah. That should work. Should avoid that. That one's just a little bit sticking up there. Too. All right, now let's take a look here. I don't think that's going to go anywhere. You pull all you want. It's just going to rip that hole Thin.
Well, what we did have before was Velcro. We had Velcroed it up there, and it wasn't strong enough. It was.
But one nice thing is when we did Velcro it, we did like where it was.
Right.
So now,
oops, you got the paper towel going the wrong way though.
No,
yeah,
this way.
Yeah. It's like the great toilet paper debate. Same as the great paper towel debate. Over or under.
All right, so that's good.
So, perfect.
I think so. Hope you like it.
I do like it. Yeah, it's kind of a permanent thing now.
Well,
what's nice is look, it doesn't
it.
like stick out or anything. It's actually it's perfect. So actually, it's perfect.
All right, so I'm removing these longer screws
where the light
they have
is.
this light.
Look how high I can stick this.
Yeah. So we're gonna then
put smaller ones in.
Smaller ones, and then
I can't even see that, but it's dramatically shorter.
And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put. I think I have some sealant, some silicone or something, and I'm just gonna hit those screws with some silicone so the wires won't hit there and cause a problem. So that's good and tight. All right, so we're gonna put some silicone on here, and that'll protect the wires in the future from vibration. That should be good.
So what kind of silicone is that?
100%, let's look. Red RTV. Gasket maker. Loctite.
Okay.
High temp silicone. That should work. That's all I had. Actually, I think I had some white, but
okay.
that'll
You
work.
See it?
Nope. So here's what our screws now look like.
So the silicone's dry.
Yeah. So that's good. The rest of the inside's halfway decent. And what I wanted to share with you is I have this fil-stik, and it's made by Mohawk. And I actually called Forest River's parts department, gave them the VIN, and I have two actually. One's a lighter, one's a darker, to fill in any kind of scratches and stuff in our woodwork. So one of the things I want to show you how cool this works. This is the board here where the microwave goes in, and you could see this line. So you take this fil-stik here and you just hit it like so. Let's see here. And then you take a card, and you take that card, and then you scrape any excess off, and see, that looks a little better. Not too shabby. Well, there you have it, folks. The paper towel holder is up. Tina, are you happy?
I'm very happy. We had it down here, which made it really cumbersome. It was in the way, it was bulky, and you have such limited space, counter space, as you all know, that it's just nice to have it up and out of the way. And look, wash my hands. Right there. Good to go.
Nice. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you had, please feel free to subscribe to TNT RVing.
Give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you at the campground.